Hey guys! Today I will show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version. So let's start. First open Settings. Then find or search About Device and click on it. Here note your Android version. My Android version in 4.4.2. Now go on Google or Chrome. Then search the old versions of the app you want to install. For example, I want to install Snapchat, so I will search Snapchat old versions. Here, click on the top link. Now find your Android version here. My Android version in 4.4.2, so I will look for Android version 4.4. I have found Android version 4.4, so I will click on it. Download this file. Don't worry, this isn't a virus. Open the file once it's downloaded. Install this file. Once the app is installed, open the app. I will open Snapchat and log in my account. Here you can see that Snapchat is working fine. If this video helped you, then like and subscribe. If you have any other issues, then ask me in the comments.